In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create LinkedIn lead gen forms. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating lead gen forms on LinkedIn is an excellent way to gather potential leads and engage with your audience. Let's dive into how to do this step by step. First, you'll need to access the Campaign Manager. So grab your device, open your web browser, and navigate to linkedin.com/campaign manager. Once you're there, log in using your LinkedIn credentials or, if you prefer, your Google account. This will take you to your Campaign Manager dashboard, which is where all the magic happens. Next, let's locate the Assets menu. On the left side of your dashboard, you should see a menu. If it's not visible, don't worry. Just click on the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu, located in the upper left corner. This action will reveal the full menu, allowing you to proceed smoothly. Now it's time to navigate to the lead gen forms. In the menu that just opened, find the Assets section. From there, you'll want to select Lead Generation Forms from the additional options that appear. This section is specifically designed for managing all your lead forms. With that done, let's initiate the form creation process. Look for the Create Form button, which is located in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking this button is your first step towards creating a form that can help drive leads for your business. Now it's time to complete the form sections. You'll see a series of fields that need your input. First, in the Form Details section, provide clear and engaging information about the offer you are promoting. Make sure to write something enticing, as this is what will attract users to fill out your form. Next, we focus on the Lead Details and Questions section. Here, you'll want to select the specific information you'd like to collect from potential leads. This can include their name, email address, company name, and more. The more relevant the information you gather, the better it is for your outreach efforts. After you've set your lead questions, it's time to customize confirmations. This is the message users will see after they submit their information. Make it friendly and encouraging, thanking them for their interest and informing them about what they can expect next. Now let's talk about hidden fields. This option is entirely optional, but can be useful if you want to gather additional data without asking users for more input. You can include important identifiers or tracking information to help you analyze your results later on. Lastly, you'll need to finalize and save your form. Once you have reviewed all your information and are satisfied with how it looks, click the Agree and Create button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This action will make your form live and ready to collect leads. And that's it. You've successfully created a LinkedIn lead gen form. Remember to monitor the performance of your form regularly, adjusting as necessary to enhance your lead generation strategy. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you find success